All right, it's my last day off for my little week break, and we're going back to Kingman again. This is gonna be the first non-car related video. We with Frederico, the Uber for today.
Uber every time.
It's 5:57. Let's see when we get there.
Oh no, he's getting off the searchlight.
There's an FDRX7 making a road trip out here. What's wrong with you, man? You're gonna learn the hard way today. It seems we have made a major mistake. We didn't pay attention or realize until we're 20 minutes away that it's twist throttle. And if you guys know, who the fuck wants twist throttle on a quad? I thought it was dumb throttle. I didn't even pay attention. I forgot that people be converting them. So looks like we're in for a real treat. Looks like we're not riding that shit. If anybody got a quad or has any knowledge, please let me know what I need to convert it back to dumb. I'm not sure what they did or if they're the one that converted it. So if anybody has experience with this or knows anything, please help your boy out. If not, check my offer up. You're about to see something coming right up. We have realized once again, where we picked up the 540, we getting the quad from the damn neighbor, bruh. I could have just picked this shit up a couple days ago when we were here. I'm gonna knock on their door and say thanks for all the fucking Black Widows. This shit got my ass itching. I got the EBGBs. Anyway, we about like 10 minutes away. Come home so I could flip that shit.
Where we went, fucking Lancaster.
Bro, we're literally turning on the same street. I did some good old deep diving research. I put in the address of the 540 and I put in the address of where we're going right now. 1 minute away. It's literally the exact same street. It's just like a couple houses down. So if you guys live here, what else you got?
Yeah, everybody that lives on
Nah, don't put the addy. Don't put the addy out. All right, if you guys notice this.
Legit, right? That's right there.
Oh yeah. Damn, what a piece of shit. All right, we'll get right back. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Not again. Same way out. I didn't even know, but this shit has a title, so we're good. Damn, that thing looked beat with the light on. We made it back. Vegas, big as fuck compared to Kingman trailer parks. Going back to the city now. Quad's still holding up beautifully. We already ordered a battery for it. I don't know if I said that. It does need a battery. I don't know what the fuck battery it takes, so I just ordered what I ordered last time. So we're about to unload this shit real quick. And that's it. We just
down the fucking Black Widows.
Oh yeah. This shit had Black Widows too. I guess everything you buy from Kingman's a good deal, but the con is Black Widows. So we'll hose that shit off real quick and put it in the garage, and I'll give you a little walk around of it. We back and better than ever. Damn, what's leaking, bruh? Oh, we gotta turn the fuel off. Eesh, when it's wet, that shit look good. We're gonna hose it down real quick, get rid of the Black Widows. The fuel, when it was on reserve, it doesn't leak, but if I turn it off, it starts leaking. So we're gonna have to leave that shit on reserve. Well, I mean, you're supposed to turn the gas off every time you're done with it, and the motherfucker obviously left it on for who knows how long. So I don't really want to experiment it.
You have to just tighten the lines just because it's cold as shit.
Who knows, bruh? I'll leave it and see how it is. As long as the shit don't stink, I don't care. But we'll see. Damn, fresh. This the fun house, big dog? Nah, Isaac gonna get a Banshee.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we got it back. Sheesh, this thing looks good. Honestly, for being so kind of shitty, this thing is solid. So I put some WD-40 on the stickers to loosen them up so we can take all these damn stickers off. But other than that, we didn't get to ride it or nothing, but it's a quad, so if that shit runs, it runs. There are really no issues. So other than that, it looks pretty decent. It's just a little dirty. Looks like there might be a couple little worn spots. It came from Kingman, so this shit got spiders fucking again. I found one on it. We raided that bitch and it came off, so we should be all right. But look at this shit. brand new tires, front and rear. I already ordered the battery, be on the way. It looks pretty decent. The only thing I say would be, if I mentioned it, this fuel, if it's on reserve, it doesn't leak. This fuel line was kind of slipped off, so I put it back. I don't want to test it again because this whole fucking house is gonna smell like gas. So other than that, the chain's a little loose, so we're gonna have to tighten that. And this throttle's a little sticky, grip's a little worn, so we're gonna have to figure out that. And I do want to see if you can convert these to thumb throttle instead of twist. This lever looks bent. Usually they always are. Just little shit, like this is loose. This is loose for the reverse. The plastics need some work, but other than that, it's real little shit. That's the thing with these, is like a couple $100 goes basically all the way with these. Unless you're doing like just aftermarket, the only thing expensive is exhaust. So besides that, really these shits are not expensive. Compared to like working on the M5 or the M3 outside, or even the 540, this shit's just so cheap. So it should be a lot of fun. I'm gonna go ahead and try to take these off, and then I'll move the quad so we got a little more room to look at it. I know this is a little different than what you guys are used to. So if you do want to see videos on this, let me know down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys are interested, we can come out with a full series on this as well. Get some riding videos, get some building videos, aftermarket stuff, getting this thing where I'd want it to be. Or if you are just checking out this video for this, consider subscribing or checking out the other content on the channel. We got Project E39 M5. Have a bunch of videos out on this already, but this thing has long ways to go and a bunch of stuff we're gonna go do to that. So if you're interested in this, subscribe. Interested in this, let me know. We got a F80 M3. Got a lot of stuff coming for this, and as well as the 540. Got big plans for all of this stuff except the 540. That's either going to be kept as a daily or just flipped and sold. Keep some parts off that for the M5. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I definitely want to get some videos out on this. I think it would be sick. Add a good variety to the channel and just have a couple different things going on, not just stuck on one thing. Sheesh, this turned into the fun house for real. What else should we get on the channel? Let me know, guys, if you got any ideas, any recommendations, anything you specifically want to see, let me know. I'm open to new things, new ideas, but now is starting my real work week. I said that last week, and I took some days off, so probably gonna be a little bit slow on content for the next 4 days, and then we'll get back to this. So anybody who's been watching, everyone who's been watching for the past couple days, I really appreciate it, and I appreciate every single one of you that support me.